Welcome to YCfee's channel. Today, we will explore an interesting journey from potato fields to your favorite crispy snacks. Do you know how potatoes from the fields become attractive snacks? Let's follow along. Now, let's explore the potato harvesting process, an important job in the agricultural industry. In the past, potato harvesting was often very hard work. Farmers had to work hard on large fields, using manual tools and taking a lot of time to harvest. However, with the constant development of technology, the way of harvesting potatoes has changed dramatically. Currently, farmers have switched to using modern automatic harvesting machines. These machines are equipped with advanced technology, helping to save labor and time, while significantly increasing harvest productivity. Imagine a large potato field in Idaho, which is famous for being one of the largest potato-producing regions in the U.S. Here, the harvesters work like magic machines, capable of harvesting about 20 tons of potatoes per hour. The process begins when the harvester moves through the field. The blades of the machine will cut the soil and cut the potatoes below the ground. Potatoes are immediately lifted off the ground by conveyor parts and put into the storage compartment. This is completely different from the traditional way, when a group of farmers spend all day harvesting the same amount of potatoes. According to statistics, the U.S. is one of the leading potato-producing countries in the world, with an output of about 20 million tons per year. Meanwhile, countries like China and India produce more than 90 million tons each year. However, what is special about the U.S. is the high quality of potatoes, thanks to modern production processes and strict food safety standards. Once the potatoes are harvested, they are immediately transported to the processing plant. This is a very important step to keep the potatoes fresh and ensure the quality of the final product. During transportation, potatoes are stored in ideal conditions, helping to preserve their flavor and nutritional value. Now the potatoes have arrived at the factory. Next, we will explore the processing process to turn potatoes into attractive snacks. First, the potatoes are washed to remove dirt and impurities. This not only improves the taste, but is also an important step in the food safety process. After washing, the potatoes are transferred to a sorting machine where they are sorted by size and quality. This step is important to ensure that only the highest quality potatoes are used in the processing. Once the potatoes have been sorted, the next step is to put them in a scrubber to clean the outer skin. Once the outer skin has been scrubbed, the potatoes are washed again to completely remove any remaining impurities. Next, the potatoes are sliced to the appropriate thickness for processing. For deep-fried snacks, this slicing is usually done so that each piece is about 3 to 5 millimeters thick. Once cut, the potatoes are fried at high temperatures, typically between 175 degrees Celsius and 190 degrees Celsius, to ensure they reach the perfect crispiness. Frying at high temperatures not only makes the potatoes crispy, but also creates an attractive golden brown crust. It is important to control the frying time to ensure that the natural flavor of the potatoes is not lost. Once fried, the potatoes are seasoned. This process often involves adding salt and other spices to create a distinctive flavor for the product. Seasoning not only enhances the flavor, but also makes the product more appealing to consumers. Finally, after seasoning, the potatoes are packaged in airtight packaging to preserve the crispness and flavor. The packaging process is usually done using modern machinery, which helps ensure that the air inside the packaging is removed, keeping the product fresh. These packages are often designed with eye-catching images and clear product information, helping to attract the attention of consumers. Finally, potato snack products will be distributed to consumers through many channels such as supermarkets, convenience stores, and e-commerce sites. The presence of the product everywhere not only brings convenience to consumers, but also helps them easily access this favorite snack. And certainly, when you see the product on the shelf, its appeal will make you unable to resist. Potato snacks are not only a popular snack, but also have many other applications in daily life. Potato snacks are often used as an indispensable part of parties, friends, or family gatherings. Their delicious, crispy taste always attracts people, making them a favorite dish to enjoy during festivals or special events. And so, from the green potato fields through sophisticated processing, we have witnessed the magical transformation of potatoes into crispy, delicious snacks. Each snack pack is not simply a snack, but also the result of the perfect combination of modern technology and the dedication of farmers. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the next interesting experience videos. See you in the next video.